show you how to edit this one. You can edit it just right with your camera, or you can edit it just taking the photo. You can just live makeup, but I'm not gonna show this one. I want to show you a photo makeup from this one. Okay, so let's make up him. He is very popular. Okay, so okay, no, I don't want to do this. Just take someone's facial, someone beautiful. Okay, so how about her? She is already beautiful. Okay, these are the default. See, it is changing. And silk. Okay, forget it. So here is the tool. You can have blemishes. I'm sorry, I don't know about this, but this app is popular. I mean, to the girls. Okay, this is foundation. It looks like if you increase it, oh, okay, a little bit more. This one, okay, this looks cool. And not romantic, actually I'm going to go with the tools. Okay, blush. Okay, I'm gonna get her a blush, not this much. Okay, these are the tools you can just choose from, and just go back and just take another tool, soften the skin and brightness. Okay, not so much. You can also change the hair color you like. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, this looks really good. I like this, but not for me actually, but I like this app. I mean, this is well made. This is really good. Okay, so go back, and about the eyes, you can just have eyelashes or something like this. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, so I hope that you're gonna like this app. Try this one. I mean, for the girls especially, try this app and you would just feel something good maybe. And thank you very much. I can't show you everything right now, because this app is for girls, and most of the foundation or the lipstick, I don't know the names. So I hope that you're gonna like this app. I mean, girls can understand this app very much. And thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time in another video. Until then, keep editing. I'll see you next time. Take care.